Alright, so good evening everyone. It's already 11, moving to 12 evening. So this evening I'll talk about the sum and difference identities. So let's have here the title and Levin Pincero. Students demonstrate understanding of half angle and double angle formulas for sines and cosines and can use those formulas to prove and or simplify other trigonometric identities. Sum and difference identities. Objectives. Use the sum and difference identities for the sine, cosine, and tangent function. Cosine function, sine function, tangent functions. Let's start with tangent function. Keywords. Difference identity for cosine. Sum identity for cosine. Requisite check. What does the symbol mean? E plus minus B minus divide the two given expression. Some of the difference identities for the tangent function. If A and B represent the measures of two angles, then the following identities hold for all values of x and b. A rather tan the quantity of A plus minus B is equal to tan A plus minus tan B over 1 minus plus tan A tan B. Example 1. Use the sum or difference identity for tangent to find the exact value of tan 345. So we have here tan 345 degree is equal to tan 300 degree plus 45. So 345 are two common angles whose sum is 345. So is equal to tan 300 plus tan 45 over 1 minus tan 300 tan 45. So this is used the sum identity for tangent. So equal to negative square root of 3 plus 1 minus the quantity of negative square root of 3 times 1. So tan 300 degree is equal to negative square root of 3 tan 45 is equal to 1. Then multiply by 1 minus square root of 3 over 1 minus square root of 3 to simplify it. So which is equivalent to is equal to negative 2 plus square root of 3. Examples. Use the sum or difference identity for tangent to find the exact value of tan 285 degree. Tan 285 degrees. So you need to find a degree that can equivalent to 285. So we have here 240 tan 240 plus 245. So nag-equal na siya sa 285. So manas lang i-plus maging manas yung given. So tan 240 plus tan 45 over 1 minus tan 240 tan 45 degree. So use the sum identity for tangent, then is equal to square root of 3 plus 1 over 1 minus square root of 3 times the quantity of square root of 3 times 1 multiplied by 1 plus square root of 3 over 1 plus square root of 3. To simplify, then the equal is negative 2 negative square root of 3. So let's have here the example number 2. Verify that cot pi over 4 minus a is equal to cosine a plus sine a over cosine a minus sine a. Transform the left side since it is more complicated. Cotangent pi over 4 minus a then is equal to cos a plus sine a, cos a minus sine a, then 1 over tan 1 pi over 4 minus a2 is equal to cos a plus sine a, cos a minus sine a. So we used a reciprocal identity. Then a plus tan pi over 4 tan a over tan pi over 4 minus tan a. So we have here the formula cos A plus sin A over cos A minus sin A. So difference identity for tangent. So 1 plus the quantity of 1 tan A over 1 minus tan A, so is equal to cos A. Then it's equivalent to tan pi 4 is equal to 1. 1 plus sin A over cos A over sin A. 1 over 1 minus sin A over cos sin A. Then tan A is equal to sin A over cos A. So we have here. So multiply by cos A. So cos A plus sin A over cos A minus sin A is equal to cos A plus sin A plus A minus sin A. So verify that cosecant 3 pi over 2 plus A is equal to negative secant A as an identity. Transform the left side since it is more complicated. Cosecant. We have the given cosecant 3 pi over 2 plus A equal to negative sec A. Then to use first local identity, we have come up with the cosecant x is equal to 1 minus sin x. 1 sin 3 pi over 2 cos A plus cos 3 pi over 2 sin A. Then 1 minus over minus 1 cos A plus the quantity of 0 sin A is equal to negative secant A. So we come the number of sin 3 pi over 2 is equal to negative 1 cosine 3 pi over 2 is equal to 0. That's why we have the 0 here. So negative 1 cos A is equal to negative secant A. So simplify. How to simplify? Using the reciprocal identity, we come up with negative secant A is equal to negative secant A. So you can try this on your at your home. If you're watching this, try to answer this. Conclusion summary: write the sum and difference identities for the tangent function as the equation. Alright, so you can try that to answer at your home. So please like and follow. That's all for the sum and difference. Thank you.